Chances are, if you're watching this, you're trying to remove the wheel of your 3031 model AA truck. So if you're doing that, the key to doing it is knowing that on a 30 or 31 model AA, the disc wheel nuts are a left-hand thread. So you got to turn the nuts clockwise and they'll start coming off. And on the passenger side, they're right-hand threaded, so you turn them counterclockwise and they'll come off. See? Not so bad. And no, that wasn't me. And no, that wasn't me either. I didn't shear them off myself. The only reason I figured this out pretty quick before I did shear them off was because I remember my father told me a story about way back when he was working on an old Chrysler. I don't know what year it would have been, but they on some of those old Chryslers they had left-hand thread on the driver's side and right hand on the passenger side. So I started cranking on these, you know, righty tighty lefty loosey, and I quickly realized that they weren't coming off. And then that old story popped in my head, and I started looking at the thread, and I could see by looking at it that they are unconventional left-hand thread. So before I did any damage, I figured that out, which was lucky for me because it's not very common. So that was awesome. So you got normal conventional threads on the passenger side. And I just looked up online. It was halfway through February of 1929 is when they put the left-hand threads on the driver's side. So just be aware of that if you have an older truck.